Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Barrow, one of the kindergarten teachers. This week we're going to be talking about community helpers. The name of our story today is Clothesline Clues to Jobs People Do, written by Katherine Helling and Deborah Hembrook. It's illustrated by Andy Roberts Davies. Clothesline Clues to Jobs People Do. Look at the clothesline and see every clue who uses these things for the job that they do. Uniform and cap, an invite for you. A big bag of letters, what jobs does she do? She is a mail carrier. Milk pail and a straw hat. Overalls in blue. Plaid shirt bandana. What job does he do? He is a farmer. Oven mitts, apron, recipes for stew, puppy hat and whisk. What job does he do? He is a chef. Smock, beret, and brushes, paints of every hue. Canvas and easel, what job does he do? He is an artist. Coveralls, tool belt, work gloves, and glue. Safety glasses, saw, what job does she do? She is a carpenter. Heavy pants, helmet, wide suspenders too. Rescue coat, long hose, what job does she do? She is a firefighter. Spacesuit and jetpack, star charts to review. Light gloves and moon boots, what job does she do? She is an astronaut. These clothes are all clues to jobs people do. Is one of these jobs just right for you? That's the end of our story. I hope you have a great day.